So I've been thinking about something lately that's kind of weird. You know how we spend all this time in school learning to think critically and solve complex problems, but then we get these professional jobs and end up spending most of our time just reading documents and comparing them to other documents. Like, that's the actual work. I'm a legal systems analyst, and I used to spend 3 hours reviewing a single vendor contract, just reading clauses, checking if they match our standards, and yeah, things like that. And one day I realized I'm not really analyzing anything. I'm just pattern matching. A really slow, really expensive pattern matching algorithm that needs coffee breaks. Which got me thinking about how we measure value in professional work. I mean, a lawyer who takes 3 hours to review a contract bills more than one who does it in 30 minutes. We're literally rewarding people for being slower. That's like paying someone more because they take longer to add up numbers. It doesn't make any sense. So many people in the industry have started using AI systems like Paralogen AI and other softwares that does the pattern matching part. I mean, why wouldn't they? You upload your legal standards once, and then it just compares contracts against those standards automatically. One of my friends was talking about it using 11 different AI specialists, one for warranties, one for liability, one for payment terms, all of them working at the same time. It takes about 5 minutes for what used to take me 3 hours. I mean, how cool is that? And here's what's interesting. I'm not working less now. I'm actually doing more valuable work. Those 3 hours I save, I spend them negotiating, strategizing, actually thinking about the business. The AI handles the stuff that honestly never needed a law degree in the first place. It's just reading and comparing. Machines are way better at that than humans anyway. And this is happening everywhere, not just in law. Accountants, compliance people, analysts, and so many professionals doing work that's basically just sophisticated data comparison. But here's the thing, you can't automate the actual hard stuff. Judgment calls, understanding context, knowing when to push back and when to compromise. That still needs a person. So in a weird way, AI is forcing us to actually be professionals again instead of just being human search engines. We get to do the work that only humans can do. I think we're at this weird transition point where we're realizing that a lot of what we called skilled work was really just tedious work that needed doing. And once the tedious stuff gets automated, we can finally focus on the parts that actually require human intelligence, which is kind of exciting when you think about it.